Alrighty guys, this is a really quick continuation from the video from earlier today that was uploaded in regards to trading in the correct direction for the week, basing it on the weekly time frame and then going over to the 4-hour chart to take an entry in the market. So within that video we showed a live trade example of the Euro USD. Since then I have closed out of that trade, and I just want to go over the reason why we actually closed out a little bit earlier than we set the initial take profit. Okay, so in the analysis you guys saw that we were having a downtrend. The market was downtrending on the weekly time frame, which gave us a bias to the downside in terms of which direction we wanted to trade. So if you go over to the 4-hour chart or the 4-hour time frame, again I will go ahead and show you where the entry was. It was around this level right here. It's where we took the entry, and we rode the market down for 71 pips of profit. Okay, now essentially or initially the profit target was about 90 pips. Okay, which was like a risk to reward of 1 to 1.5. Okay, now the reason why we actually closed out of this trade a little bit sooner, let me show you guys why. If you go over to the 1-hour time frame, you'll see what's starting to take place on the chart. Price came down, okay, gave you this move down, and it came right almost to the level of support and reversed. Right now I know today is Wednesday going into Thursday. Well, actually today is Thursday if you're referring to the trading day, and what price tends to do on Wednesday or Thursday is give you what we call a midweek reversal. Okay, now this price could reverse and go all the way up, right? The banks could take all of this profit right here that they made selling this market, right? And they could take a chunk of that profit, right? And if they sell into the market, then essentially price is going to start moving to the upside, because once you close a sell position, it essentially you're opening or you're closing a sell position with the buy position. So price will move. Now, since this came so close to the support level, this could be the midweek reversal. This price could move up for the rest of the week. It could just be a slow mover, and it could move up for the rest of the week, thus locking you into the trade until it decides to reverse again and get and line up again with the weekly overall trend. That could be Sunday or Monday. Okay, so who wants to sit in either negative equity or give some of the profits back? I just took the trade off the board and just took the 71 pips. Okay, now tomorrow this price could go up here and reverse and completely hit the target. We don't know what it's going to do, but I'd rather take 71 pips than give my profits back and then not be able to get out of this trade until it decides to reverse again early next week. So that's the Euro USD. Let me go to the 4-hour, and I'm gonna drop that trade right back on the chart so you guys can see where the entry was and where our take profit was. So there it is, right? The entry was around this level right here. This line right here, this level right here was the entry right here, and we rode it all the way down. It was a total of 71 pips is what we actually was able to get from this trade. So it was a pretty good trade. 71 pips on the Euro USD. We closed the trade early, and we're out. Have a good night.